What's going on, guys? Cops Outdoors here, and it's been a while, guys, since I've made a video, and yeah, we're back at a golf course pond right now, me and Tristan are, and last time we were here last week, and I caught a 4-pounder. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can get some fish for you guys. Stay tuned. Got him. Got him. Just kidding. What did you say? I brought some. Yeah. I got some that'll be good for this watercolor. Oh god, I got a big one, dude. I'm not even kidding. Like, I'm not even kidding, Tristan. Like, I got either I have them foul hooked. Dude, this is a freaking giant. Oh yeah. Big one. Not huge, but god dang. I'm gonna need some more boulder shit. I don't know where I can land it. Just don't get a hook in your hand, dog. Don't lift on the line either. God, dude, I thought I had a giant. He hit it so hard. Alright guys, so this is the first fish. Nice healthy, like 2.5, 3-pounder. He's pretty chunky. Caught it on a 6-inch jerk bait, and I think the color is shad sense, so yeah guys, first fish. We'll see if we can get some more. Sick. Oh, there right now. I got the shot of whiskey straight out the flask. Without crying. Nobody sees that you wanna get married. Oh, I got a big one, Tristan. Yeah. Not a big one, actually. Good one. Choked it. Underspin. Underspin. 2-pounder. Yeah. They're loaded on this side.
What is sink all the way to the bottom?
That one I didn't because I knew it was shallow right there. That one didn't sink that much. Yes, in a second.
Short, but it's chubby.
Yeah, they're all feeding good. Pretty fun.
It's got a monster mouth.
Yeah. Crush plates are red. 2 pounds, probably 2 pounds. Just at 2 pounds, maybe a little less. Dang, that one felt good because his mouth was open in the water.
Yeah.
It's not a little bad one. Yeah, we'll get some. Alright guys, this is another one. Just like 2 or 3 minutes after that last one, I let it go. I picked up the underspin and made one cast, and it seems like they're on these shallow points right here that are coming out. It's just shallow with a bunch of chunk rock and boulders. But it seems like they're sitting on that because there's more heat right now, at least. But yeah, guys, this one was on the underspin. Just throwing a little 3.8 Reaction Innovations Skinny Dipper on there, and Sexy Shad. And so now I kind of figured out that they're along these rocks, so we're gonna pick apart these rocks a little more and see if we can get some more. Look how short and stubby this little motherfucker is. So look how short and stubby this thing is. Yeah. I seen him swipe at it.
That thing's chunky, but it's small.
I know.
Looks like a chode.
This dude just got all kind of goofed. I'm sorry, dude. You did it to yourself. This poor guy. Oh, I don't have pliers. It's not good. I'm sorry, dog. You done goofed to yourself. Well, this is not good.
Why?
Because he's got, it's so far in him and I need pliers. And it doesn't come down any farther because he's got it. Oh, don't do that. It's the last thing. Oh, okay, we got it. We got you. I'm sorry, dog.
The only thing bad about your face.
You can get absolutely. Alright, well, we got another little.
Give me videos with you.
Nah. 1.5. He's so chunky, dude.
What's inside there? Like
Been
crawdad?
crawdads. Probably shad, a little bit of shad, a little bit of crawdads. Not a little bad one. We got number 3 going back in the water. And see ya. Alright. Yeah. You need to catch one now, Tristan. Finish off the video with a big one.
What?
We need to finish off the video with a big one. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's been a while, guys, since I've made a video. It's been like 4 months, which that's been on my bad. I haven't been recording much, and I just kind of got out of the groove of things. But when summer comes around, I'll start making a lot more videos. I'm going to try and pump out 1 video a week now. Right now, I got to get a job, so I should be having a job soon. So that's going to cut out some of my time now to fish. But yeah, we had a tournament this past weekend at Lake of the Ozarks, which, you know, is my home lake. So I was expecting to do good, but it was really tough conditions. The water was super high and muddy, chocolate milk from all the rain we've had. And it was out of 300 boats, only 84 boats caught fish, and I ended up bringing in 4 pounds and took like 40. So obviously I didn't do great, and I did record during that tournament, but I don't think it would have been a good video. There wasn't a lot that happened. Yeah, like I said, I only caught 4 pounds for 3 fish, so all them fish were tiny. They were a bunch of little spots. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you guys have any content you would like to see me make, let me know. I'm getting MTB, so if you guys want to see some MTB unboxings or slams or something like that, let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't liked the video or subscribed yet, guys, do that, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.